Hi. Welcome to video series on AWS Developer Associate. In this series, we are discussing about the code pipeline and code commit. In previous videos, we are discussing about foundations and practical uses of code pipeline and code commit. In this part, we are going to discuss application tools and best practices of code pipeline and code commit. Here is like real world use cases. Like real use case means used for CI and CD is used for more than just web apps, from the deploying Lambda functions to building ML pipelines or provisioning infrastructures. Code pipelines enables automation at the scale. Create an implementation microservices with the code pipeline and ECS. Automatically upload the Lambda functions upon Git push. Install code commit ML modes on SagaMaker endpoints. Use of cloud formation in a infrastructure as a code. Pipelines for QA testing, staging, and product deployment. AWS Developer Tool Integration. AWS CLI create pipelines automatically for CloudWatch, track problems, logs, and build times. CloudTrail examine user and API activity. Secure password in pipeline using AWS Secret Managers. CodeGuru automated insights and code reviews is well optional. You can integrate with the services like CloudWatch for monitoring CloudTrail or for auditing, and secret manager for securely storing keys and credentials. These tools extended your pipeline with observing observability and security. Notifications and monitoring. Send failures, success alerts via social media. CloudWatch alarms. Monitor error rates and construction times. Automation. Automate external workflow with the event bridge triggers, emails, and Slack. Use Lambda SNS bridges to incorporate notifications. Use SNS to send notifications on build status. Event Bridge can automate a response like rolling back failed deployments. Logging and metrics in CloudWatch help track performance and identifying the issues. Security best practices. Use encrypted repositories at all times. Make use of IAM policies with the least privilege. Make MFA availability to developers. Limit source codes access through VPC endpoints. Rotate your SSH keys or Git credentials on regular basis. Always use encryption and IAM policies to control access. Enforce MFA for users and secure pipeline endpoints with VPCs. Regularly rotate credentials and audit roles using IAM's access analyze. Code quality practices. Use CodeMill to run integrations and unit test. Add tools for static code analysis such as SonarQube and ESLint. Make use of code coverage tools like Charcoal. Implement PR reviews and brand protection regulations. Add testing and code analyze to your build stages. For example, unit test, ESL, Lint, or Jaco. Make reviews mandatory in code commit to improve code quality before it even reaches the pipeline. Tips to optimize code pipeline parallel stages. Accelerate the execution of test. Articaps reuse. Cut down on rebuilds. Maven, NPM, and pipe catches or catching dependencies for quicker builds. For various branches using conditional logic in buildspace.im. You can speed up your pipelines by catching dependencies, reusing artifacts, and running stages in parallel. Also consider using futures based branches to test isolated builds before merging into main. Recap and DevOps alignment. Code commit plus pipeline equal to strong AWS native CI and CD platforms encourage security, automation, and repeatability. Allows for quicker release with less dangerous, and essential components of modern terms DevOps transmission. In the summary, these tools enables modern DevOps workflows, automated deployment for fast iterations, and reliable software delivery. These align with the cloud native deployment and scale with your team. Final best practices DevOps next step security, use VPC endpoints, encrypted data, and enforce IAM roles, automation for dynamic workflow, user event bridge and Lambda, observability, SNS alerts, and CloudWatch dashboards, tooling connected to third party scanners, Jenkins, and GitHub. Scalability employs several pipelines for Pack and microservices, DevOps maturity, combined code, artifacts, cloud formations, and AWS code deploy. Next steps use pipelines for A and B testing, blue green stages, strategy, or canary deployment. As you move forward, explore the more abundant DevOps patterns like blue green deployment, canary releases, or A and B testing with pipelines. Combines with these cloud formation and AWS tools build enterprise ready to CD and CI systems. Thank you.